Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme 5i to Nokia device. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them. Now click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Then open it. Now choose I accept, click Confirm, Continue and Allow. After that, you need to click on Send on Realme and Receive on Nokia. Then click on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your data. It will take some time though, so I will only go with this one photo. Choose Send and tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on this scanning icon on Nokia. Then choose while using the app or only this time and point your device's camera at the code. Now we need to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure, you can always go into Files app, go into in my case Images and look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!